What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of GAD Talks. Today we are going to be comparing two smartwatches which have the fitness tracker function but are going to be quite different in terms of the operating system. So first of all, we're going to have the FS08 fitness tracker smartwatch, IP68 waterproof, which is very tailored to someone who intends to be very fit and active. This also costs anywhere from the mid-70s to even over $100 depending on the seller and the website that you choose to get it from. On the right, we have the KW99 KW99 Android smartwatch, which is not waterproof. It comes in a very classy leather band and a nice looking leather band. Operates off an Android system. And this is going to be more tailored to even fitness functions, but someone who is considering an all-around smartwatch with both sports and techie functions. Now, let's begin. And before we begin today, if you guys have not yet already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel as I'll be coming out with new weekly videos on the latest gadgets, electronics, and smartwatches. And if you guys want to purchase these smartwatches after this video, you guys can use my affiliate link below, which will take you to eBay and trusted sellers, and I will earn a commission at no extra cost to you. Now let's begin. On the FS08 smartwatch on the left, this watch comes in mainly just fitness tracker functions. So if you're actually looking for a techier smartwatch that does more, this might not be the watch for you. But if you are looking to go all out on a lot of your fitness tracking functions, especially if you do quite a bit of sports, different type of sports, this watch may be the watch for you. Let's begin by looking at some of the basic functions of this watch. I believe we're currently in a sport mode right now, but let's swipe out of here. There you go. Now, this is your home watch face, and this is the only watch face, so it's kind of disappointing because you're paying quite a bit for a watch, and this is the only watch face it comes with. Oh, well, no. Correction on my part, so actually it comes with a few. How you would go about it is you would actually just tap on the middle of the watch face here. Okay, so that is a good issue out of the way, actually, and very nice discovery. If you want to actually look at the fitness functions on this watch, you will want to swipe right from the home watch face. And what you want to do is, these are some of the default sport modes that it comes with, that it can actually, under which you can track your different types of fitness data. So you have walking, cycling, running, climbing, history, and other settings. Once you get into one of these modes, it's going to look like this. So it's going to track your cadence. I'm not really sure what that is without using it. You have your mileage, your distance tracker, your calories tracker, your pace tracker, heart rate monitor, which are mainly the standard fitness functions and tracking for any fitness tracker. Now, if you want to get out of here, you want to double swipe left. If you want to actually track individual fitness functions without entering in any sports mode, you could either swipe down or swipe up, and then it's going to give you right off the bat, it's going to give you the steps. It's going to give you a sleep monitor. It's going to give you your heart rate monitor. I'm still not really sure what it is. Your stopwatch, and a compass as well, which needs to be learned how to use because it's going to come in pretty helpful, especially if you're outdoors and even when you're stranded. And if you want to check out your notifications, you want to swipe left from the home watch face. And this concludes some of the basic functions of the FS08 fitness tracker smartwatch. on your KW99, this is going to be quite an eye-opening experience compared to the FS08 because it has a lot more functions, even though it's not waterproof at all. So that is something you want to keep mindful of when you purchase a watch like this. So it's not going to be your outdoor watch where it's going to be able to sustain quite a bit of water, but it, aside from that, it's going to be it comes with quite a bit of functions, default functions even. So if you want to compare watch faces, long press on the home watch face, and can then swipe left or right and check out all the default watch faces it comes with, which is quite a bit. And if you get tired of these, you can also go and download additional watch faces, it looks like, from this addition button. If you want to check out notifications, you want to swipe left from the home watch face. If you want to check out your settings, such as your battery, your other settings, you would then want to swipe down from your home watch face. If you want to swipe up from your home watch face, it's going to give you a weather. And if you want to explore your phone and Android functions, you will want to swipe right from your home watch face, which is going to give you quite a bit of functions, including the health function, but it's not going to be as extensive as your FS08 smartwatch. It's really only going to give you a heart rate monitor and a pedometer. So really just your steps, calories. It's going to keep track of some data as well, so that's nice. You can message on this watch, fully message. You can also connect to Wi-Fi on this watch and start browsing online. You could play music from using this watch remotely, and other very basic functions that the FS08 might not even come with. This watch is compatible with both Apple and Android, so that's a plus. To conclude, which watch is going to be the right fit for you, it really depends on what you're looking for to do with your smartwatch. The price ranges are going to be very similar, so it's really just going to come down to the purpose that's going to decide which watch you want to get. Now, in my personal opinion, I would definitely pick this smartwatch, the Kingwear KW99, over the FS08, because I'm more of an all-around person. I don't really do anything too extensive. So this is going to come with the right functions. It's still going to have my basic fitness functions, but it's going to have a lot more additional functions. And I love the look on the KW99 as well, so it's going to beat the FS08 in my opinion. So this concludes my short video of these two smartwatches. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, a share, and if you subscribe to my channel, I'll see you guys next time.